So we are back with a brand new product. This is something we checked out at CES. This is the Neakasa by Neabot. This is a pet groomer. This is actually the P2 Pro. So let's open this up and let's see what comes inside. We did kind of cut this open a little bit earlier, but we didn't actually open it up. So you got a user guide in here, which is really nice. Then you have looks like a head unit, a tool organizer, a brush, the actual shaver, piece of cardboard there. This is the actual device, power cord, hose. We are not done yet. Oop, almost forgot this. This. Move it along the table. So this is the head unit. Interesting, we got a little filter here. It says this side up. Filter, filters, filters. It's designed to stop in there. Let's see what's in here. More units. Okay, so this is a shaver with a button that actually pushes to clean it. That's cool. So you shave, and then if it gets gunked up, you can do this. It'll push the hair out of it. Nice. Okay, so we've got a lot of items here. Got a ratchet in there. It's 1.6 millimeters or drop down to 1.2. And then it appears that these head units can then be added to this to increase it further. So I pop that on there, and then that's going to drop that up to 1.8. And then you can even go as far as 24 millimeters. That's pretty deep. So we also got 6 millimeters, 12, and 18. So the piece here has a design on it, I guess, to hold like what you're putting where. Nice little organizational. And that snaps in there. And then this unit, guessing, snaps in there. Okay, that's cool. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is also another piece for the razor. Oop. It is, I guess, a wind cover. So you install this on here, and it gives it a little extra room there for the device. This is also an extra sponge filter. I don't know if you saw that here. Sponge filter there. This is an extra one. So what you see here, there's a little clip there. So when you're not using it, piece in here. It clips in there, and then you push it there, and it's going to hold it in place now on the unit. You can pull it off. And then when you're using the item, the cord will go in here. And this is kind of like a pet brush. It's going to pull up all that hair and then suck it into this little nozzle here, which then goes in this containment chamber. And that way, you're getting all the hair you want. That's really cool. That's awesome. It's kind of one of those clean things. So you brush it up, you get all the hair in here, and just it's going to push all the hair off all those little scrapers. That's so cool. Oh, where have you been all my life? This is a vacuum, I'm guessing for like furniture and fabric or the floor after you're done. Same as this one here. So right off the bat, this is just a comb piece, not designed to actually cut. Doesn't get any actual power, it looks like here. It just kind of combs and picks up. The suctions, comb. This is the only one that actually does the haircut. It's got the 2 silver prongs there that allows it to get the power so that it can basically start going when you plug it in, I'm guessing. Push button to release. So it's got these 2 teeth here. They're going to slide into this spot. Pushes into position. You got a power knob here for the strength of it. And I'm guessing if you wanted to maybe get that hose hooked up in a way that it's not going to be dangling too much. Yeah. Power cord goes right in here. That is solid. That is a smart groomer. So the important part of this is that as you're cutting the hair with the trimmers, this part is sucking in all the cat hair or dog hair, depending on who you're grooming, into this little hole and then into this unit here. And then you're able to easily just clean that up when you're done. Just take that, dump that out in the trash can. Very solid. I'm surprised that people haven't thought about this before. It reminds me of that Honey, I Shrunk the Kids movie where he's like combing his own hair and he's got like a little machine that sucks it as he's like brushing his hair. That's pretty cool. But apparently you can also just do this. I think I went the wrong way. Around the base. That works too. As they say, groom smarter, not harder. This thing is really cool. We've also checked out a couple other things of theirs at CES. We'll put that up as well down the line. But really solid. The one thing I wish this thing had is a little like pouch or something for the other parts. But you can always just release the tank. Pop that down. And you can just choose to store these pieces in here when you're not using it. And that way it's all kind of self-contained. Pretty cool. I can't wait. I'm going to try out the pet hair one right now for the little brush with my cat. I'll be right back. First of all, it's not very loud. He's not afraid of it. So it did a pretty good job. The one thing I will say specifically about it is the suction on it is pretty good, especially the low speed is a pretty good one. Pretty good job. I do like the brushes. I think they're really solid. My cat's not really in need right now of a trimming. But yeah, you've got cat hair already in the unit from the suction. That's pretty solid. That's pretty good. Hopefully you found this helpful, and hopefully you want to pick one of these up for yourself. It's nice to have a little tool. This does a great job self-cleaning itself, and then I just scraped the hair into the hole, and it would disappear. So it's not on the table, it's not on me, it's in the unit, which is pretty nice. Well, again, if you're looking for something like this to help with grooming or just brushing your cat to get the dander off of him, this is a pretty cool tool. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.